What's up, YouTube? It's your boy RG, and I'm back with another banger, you feel me, man? I'm back with another hair tutorial video, man. My hair tutorial videos get so much love, I'm gonna keep bringing it to y'all. It's just that simple, you feel me? But, today's gonna be my, curly hair routine, what I do every day on improving my curls, improving the shine, and this is how I take care of my curls every day, basically. Long story short. Before we even get this video started, though, I just, shampooed my hair because this past week I haven't did shit to my hair, and that's tough. I haven't did shit. It be them days, y'all know, it be them days that you be lazy and you don't want to do absolutely nothing to your hair. So I was just rocking the 2-strand twist as I made my previous video. Y'all go check that out if y'all want to know how to get 2-strand twist, by the way. Gotta promote that, gotta get as much views as I can, you feel me? But before we get into this video and shit like that, my routine have switched up since I did my last one. I have previously did like a curly hair routine. That was like in the summertime. So my shit done changed a whole lot different. My shit done upgraded, my nigga. I done got higher products, you feel me? So stay tuned if y'all want to know how to get your curls fleeky and get the hoes, you feel me? Let's get it to the intro.
Straight up. That's why they fuck with 2 Woo.
Okay, they fuck with 2 Woo. Cause I be real life in this shit. And yes, I hit that for the cheese. Just like some mices and shit.
Alright, y'all, before I get into the video and stuff like that, I barely even do anything to my hair, to be 100 with y'all niggas. The only thing I do is in the morning when I'm waking up going to work is wet my hair and put this shit in. This A10 Daily Miracle Conditioner, man. Get this shit. This shit work good as fuck, man. It make your shit silky and it does wonders, money. It does wonders. And sometimes I use this. Not all the time I hear. Let me let it focus. My camera ain't got no badges right now. This shit by Shea Moisture, the curling enhancing smoothie. This shit work good as fuck. But 9 times out of 10, I'm in a rush when I go to work, cause I go to work at like 8 in the morning, my nigga. That's tough. They have me waking up all types of early, like I'm going back to school all over again. You feel me? So I rush. The only thing I do is brush my teeth, wash my face, put deodorant on, put my clothes on, and then I wet my hair, and then I put this conditioner in. That's the only thing I do, wet my hair and put conditioner in. I be forgetting to put my hair lotion in, but my hair get curly anyway. This is really like the smoothie shit is really if you want to make your curls thicker and like make them stand out more. So really, if you got curly hair in general, you can just use the conditioner. I was just letting y'all know that before I started the video. I don't do shit special to my hair at all. My shit get curly just off of wetting it, you feel me? But we about to get into the video, man. Alright, y'all, so I'm in the bathroom right now, and this is what I do, man. I'm about to roll my sleeves up. You want to roll your sleeves up because you're going to get your clothes wet, you feel me? But I'm about to just wet my hair, put this conditioner in, and then after that, put this in. And that's gonna be the routine. You feel me? Let's get it. I'm done with the conditioner, man. I just put the conditioner on my hair. The next thing you do, where is my hair lotion? Damn. You want to put your hair lotion in. I don't always put this in. Usually I just wash my hair, put the conditioner in, rub it in, and then I just shake it, and then ta-da. But in this instance, I'm gonna use the hair lotion. And I'm running out, as y'all see, bro. In my previous videos when I use this shit. I'm to the absolute empty, my nigga. I'm gonna have to get some more on this shit. But you wanna put this shit in. y'all, man. So I'm done rubbing the hair lotion in. Next thing you want to do is just shake your hair. That's the signature move. And there y'all have it, man. That's how they gonna look after that. Let me let the camera focus in on that. Get a little view. That's all the fleeky curls. My lighting got no badges in my bathroom, so I had to use my LED light. Shout out to the LED light. You feel me? But yeah, that's the curls and shit like that. I was just giving y'all more definition of it. Right now, my shit loose. You feel me? And like more tight. I ain't really got the big curls. I got like the smaller curls. I like the smaller spiral curls like I got anyway than big curls. Big curls, I don't like them. They straight, but I don't think it'll look good on me. But that's the video right there. I don't do shit special to my hair. I wash it, put this in, and that's about it. And sometimes I put hair lotion in, but it's different strokes for different folks. Some people may do different shit. Let me move this light out the way. But yeah, some people may do different shit for their hair. People have all different types of hair, you know. What's the name of that shit? Hair types. But that's the video right there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, share this video out. Get this video to like 100,000 views and get this video to 100 likes for another hair tutorial video, man. Make sure you like, share, subscribe if you're new. Get us to 10K and we out.
Brand new foreign, it been boring, but she going. I had to kick that little bitch out cause she annoying. Get your block and flip that shit just like a